Everyone, welcome back to our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Keys. Today's video content is to see the reaction of our fur babies with regards to the sound of this wooden decorative frog. This is a wooden decorative frog, and this one will make a sound. Take Chai. Here's the youngest one. Take Chai. What is that, Take Chai? That's a frog. That's a frog, Shake Shake. That's a frog. Want that? What's that? Huh? You want to play with that? You want to play with that, Shake Chai? You want to play with that, this one? This is a frog. This is a frog. Want to play with that one? The stick of the frog. And here's the eldest. Yeah. What is that? Yeah. That's a frog. That's a frog. Yeah, see ya. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. You're not interested with this one? Not interested with this one, yeah? Hmm? Hmm? This is just good for scratching. Yeah? Tati? Tati? What is that, Tati? What is that? That's a frog. See? See, Tati? Huh? Tati? It's a frog. That's a frog, Tati. That's a wooden frog. Huh? 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 Hey, 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 hey. Hetty? What is that, Hetty? Huh? That's a wooden frog. Huh? Hetty? See, Hetty, see. Not minding. Not interested. Is this whitey one with the wooden frog, only the little ones. Hetty. 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 This is the elder calico. Tika. Kaka. Kaka. You know this wooden frog, Kaka? You know that one? You know that one, Kaka? Huh? See, Kaka, see. That's a wooden frog. That's a wooden frog, Kaka. Huh? That's a wooden frog. Turning around. You don't want to be disturbed, Kaka. Huh? You have a nice shirt, striped shirt, Kaka. You have a nice striped shirt. And here's the younger Calico. What's that, Kisses? That's a frog. That's a frog, Kisses. Hmm? That's a frog. She will be afraid of some unfamiliar sound. A while ago, she ran away. Hmm? Hi, hi, hi. Did. You want to play with that one? You want to play with this one? Huh? What's that? What's that? One that we will take reactions with is Jade. Jade? Jade? What is this, Jade? Jade, what is that? Huh? That's a frog, Jade. See, Jade, just see. Hmm? See that one, Jade? Hmm? That's a frog. Not minding. Not minding with that frog, huh? Not interested, Jade? You're sheepy. You're sheepy, Jade. Hmm? You're sheepy. Hey, Jade. That's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching our video. Thanks for subscribing our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Keys. Thanks for hitting the notification bell so that you will be notified on our future vlogs. And thanks for making some encouraging comments. And thank you for liking and sharing this page as well. Thank you. May you add up to our 23 subscribers yet. Thank you. God bless to all the precious people all over the world. Thank you.